Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my 73 to 87 dually bedside disassembly video. So my first idea was to take some long bedsides and cut them out for those fenders, whether I bought them new or used, and I would quickly find out you cannot buy those fenders brand new. So then I stumbled across this, and this still costed me 650 bucks. So, but right now we need to get these off. And obviously I'm doing this video for anybody that has a dually project, thinking about a dually project. What are your options? What does this stuff really look like? Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and take this apart so you can see for yourself what's in there. So the most delicate part of these dually fenders are at the bottom. You need to be super careful. Take these off first at the bottom, two on that side, and be aware of this. You can easily bust that right off. Be careful. Let's get those bottom bolts off first. So be careful with those bolts. I had to break it to get it off, and I'm pretty sure that's how they broke it in the first place. So next thing you want to take off is this fiberglass cover. Be careful, you'll bust the ears off when you twist those bolts. Just be careful. So I'm going to loosen them with this and then take them out with the air ratchet. Just straight fiberglass, and it can get damaged. You notice the marker light has a bracket that's attached to the bedside. We need to get that off. So now comes the fun part. You see in between those two panels, got some little studs and some little nuts. You can see right there on the dually fenders where each one of them is and how far apart they are. They go all around in between this little area. You got to get your hand in there. You can clearly see that my hand doesn't even fit. My wrist is already stuck, and we got to try to get every single one of those out. Let's go ahead and take them out, and I'll tell you how many they were. So I had to turn my camera off because I almost lost my mind right there. That is one of the most difficult things you will do on your dually build. Now, it is necessary that the fenders come off because I thought this was perfectly original. I thought I was just going to unscrew them with my hands. Absolutely not. Let's see what happened right here. So I thought this was all rust free, and it's not. See all that stuff going on. If the studs get stuck like that, you're going to have to be careful. Take your time and do those last. It is very difficult to get these freaking fenders off. All right, and this is the gap you got to work with. You can open it up in certain places, but you can see that my hand is right there, and you're gonna cut your hand up, and just be prepared for that. So for the side marker wiring, you can see the 194 bulbs through a little grommet. Wiring just goes through here like that and joins the other one, and then both of them go towards the back of the truck. So there's 12 of those nuts. So for the side marker lights, T15 Torx. To get the housing out, you got to take these two clips off. And the housing drops out. So then this bracket would be bolted right there and be sitting like that in the fender. Just want you to see what that bracket looks like. The main reason I'm making this video is because I wish there would have been a video out there like this when I started my dually project. I want all you guys and girls out there to really see what's going on and to see how it may not be such a good idea to just try to cut one. These fenders are exclusive to a dually and for a dually, and there's a little bit more parts going on than you might think. So I got fiberglass in those two fenders video coming. We're gonna make them look perfect at the end. I got a video I'm working on doing these doors 100% where they're gonna look perfect in the end. Just a little update on the dually, let you know I'm just getting all the parts ready so we can have a smooth, consistent flow of videos when I start this build. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.